Hi friends, welcome to KPV Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered up to 38 interview questions. The next question, 39th interview question, what we have here is what is mean by multi-value assignment in Python? What is multi-value assignment in Python? Multi-value assignment in the sense chained assignment means what? A single value we are assigning to multiple variables. Multi-value assignment means we have to assign multiple values to multiple variables. This is the concept, sir. Example, a comma b comma c is equal to 11 comma 22 comma 33. What is the meaning of this? The value 11 is assigned to the variable a. The value of 22 is assigned to the variable b. The value of 33 is assigned to a variable called c. That's why if we print a, if we print b, if we print c, the output what we are going to get here is 11, 22 and then 33. So what is the meaning of this? This is called as multi-value assignment. We are assigning multiple values to multiple variables. This concept is called as what? Multi-line assignment in Python. Okay. So chained assignment means single value, multiple variables. Multi-value means what? Multiple variables, multiple values. I hope the terminology is very clear for you people. Okay. Thank you, friends.